Orlando Pirates are visiting Sekhukhune United in a Betway Premiership match. This will be the first match of 2026 for Orlando Pirates. This marks the second half of the season. Orlando Pirates did not play midweek, so they'll be playing their first match of the new year against a very stubborn Sekhukhune United. A Sekhukhune United that defeated Orlando Pirates. These two sides, they met in an opening fixture of the season, of this current season, the 2025-2026 season. And it was Sekhukhune United who defeated Orlando Pirates by a goal to 0 out at Orlando Stadium. So Orlando Pirates will go into this match seeking a revenge. Also remember, in the second round of last season, Sekhukhune United defeated Orlando Pirates again at Orlando Stadium. So the details of the